G'day y'all, Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead coming to you. We're outside looking at all the birds looking at me. Starting to get some ground, starting to see the fire pit. Okay, you guys got to go back in. Your feet are all red. Go in. I know it's nice out, but come on, go. Come on. Let's go. They're all molting, so they're not. Look. Come on. Maybe we get the shovel. Let's go. Move. Come on. Go. In. They play this game every night. Come on. Go. Go. Move, Coco. There. Round up me chickens. I need a dog. What you doing, Chubbs? You still got your women, eh? Yeah. You got Splash, Crow, and Raven. Aren't you lucky? So this is a 4x4. Just to show this a little perch area, nesting box, feeder. And I tied it in to... There's a hole going through the side, so... I tied it in so that the birds could feed from both sides. So I only need one running off the heater instead of having to run a heating unit in here for these ones. So I can get away with a lot less. I could have 1, 2, 3 pens running off of 2 feeders. So yeah, I would save myself in the long run. Not getting too much eggs. Only got 5 eggs again today. I think there's 19 birds. I don't even know how many birds I got in here now. There's 3 hens in there with a rooster. There's 3 hens there. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 hens. Feel like I missed one. Oh, there's Jess in the house. So yeah, 19 hens. Plus I got 2 roosters in here, but I have 12 more birds in the garage. I had many more, but a lot of the younger ones didn't make it through the winter. They had a rough time. Oh, Stanley's getting his freak on, but too bad they're not friggin' laying. Oh, Sally. Mate. Oh, that's not Sal. That's Henrietta. Thought it was Sal. Where's Sal? That's Dixie. That must be Sal. Oh, you changed? Yeah, you don't have a leg man. No, yes, that's Rosie. You do. This one's a nice one. What you doing, Stan? There's Frizzle. Hey, Frizzle. Then we got, that's Phoenix. That's Coco.